Top tips to choose the right online bank for you. Feeling lost picking an online bank? No worries. I'm here with 5 easy tips to find your perfect fit. Tip 1. Always check the fees. Some banks sneak in charges for ATMs, overdrafts, or monthly maintenance. You want low or zero fees, especially if you're just starting out. Why pay more for basic stuff? Next up, test the mobile app. Does it feel smooth? Can you pay bills, transfer instantly, or get real-time alerts? A clunky app? No. You deserve an app that makes banking feel like a breeze, not a chore. Security is non-negotiable. Look for biometric logins, two-factor authentication, and fraud alerts to keep you safe. Your money and personal data? Fort Knox-level protection, please. No compromises here. Even digital banks need real humans behind the scenes. Pick one with great customer support ready to help. Whether it's chat, phone, or 24/7 support, you want someone who actually answers when things go sideways. Last but not least, check for extras. Spending insights, savings tools, or credit monitoring can be game changers. These extras help you stay on top of your money without breaking a sweat. Let's quickly recap. Check fees, test the app, prioritize security, ensure solid support, and grab those extras. Do all that, and you'll land the perfect digital bank that fits your life perfectly. Thanks for watching. Drop a comment if you want more tips, and don't forget to like and subscribe.